Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Keya's Craze. Today I'm going to show you all over hand embroidery with triangular small size mirrors, and this is a requested video, and I'm going to use cotton lacha thread for this hand embroidery. If you are not a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click this bell icon to get the notifications on time. Here I am using needle number 7, and here I have taken 4 string cotton lacha thread. There are many more different types of hand embroidery tutorials are in my channel. If you want, you can check them. I will put the playlist link in description box. These are pearl beads. So as you can see, my all over hand embroidery with white pearls and triangular mirrors has been completed, and it's very easy to do, as you can see. And you can apply this on your sari or on your dupattas or on your cushion covers or on your bags, and anywhere you want. So if you like this video, if you like my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.